Okay, today I'm here at Knott's Farm for Ghost Town Alive and Summer Nights. And I went to Coaster's Diner, and they have something that's not on the Flavors of Summer list. This is a peach cobbler, and it looks a little sad because my ice cream melted. It used to be this tall, but I had to wait in line, to get to the register, and so I dripped all over the floor. I dripped on myself. But because the cobbler itself is actually warm too. So there's the peach cobbler. Mm. Yeah, if you like peaches, this is actually really good. And there is a crust on top, kind of like a what do you call it? A crumb cake. You know, all that crumble on top. So it's baked in a large pan like this, and then they just scoop it up and put it in the bowl here. And this is $9.99. You just kind of plies. It is pretty hefty. So I would suggest. I ordered it at the beginning of the line. I would suggest waiting to get to the cashier and then ordering it there so that they can make it and bring it to you, and you can take it away right there. So then your ice cream won't be melted like mine. Oh, here's a big piece of peach. So there's lots of peaches in here too. So yeah, if you like peaches, this is really good. I might even say delicious. It's only $9.99, so it's not that bad either, price-wise. So, anyways, let's see. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.